Yeah, good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Manish. Today, we are going to learn index match function. What is the mean of index match? I hope you people knows about the Vlookup. Vlookup only look in the one array, but index match can use for the multiple either reverse for that one. So in I will show you one formula and use of index match that make easy for everybody. Let's come to our screen. Yes, now you can see on the screen there one is subject scorecard is given for some students, the name of the student and subject wise say they obtained marks. Now I will show you how to use index match function in this sheet. Let's start. First of all, we have to write here subject for making one sheet. Okay, now here we will make one drop down list. How? First of all, go to the data validation and data validation here. Now here you select the list source. We are going to select this, the student name, and click OK. Now you can find here our drop down list is ready. All the student names came automatically, okay, as we select. Now we are going to use the index match function. First of all, we have to use the subject name. Let me use some more formula here. First of all, copy, Control C. Now paste special and transpose. You can find here all the subject came, but let me make it little light so we can understand well. Now we are going to use the index match function. It's equal to index. Index is came. First of all, we are going to select all this sheet completely. Control function key and F4 because we have to lock this $sign, comma, match. We have to going to match function, match from here name, again control F4, comma, where the match we have to match completely student name, $sign, comma, exact match means 0, sorry, 0, bracket close, again comma, match because now we are going for the open bracket. Now we have to select the subject, function F4, comma, select the row, function F4, comma, 0, close the bracket. You can find here and now drop, select, copy. Now here you can see in this the student name came automatically here. Let me make it properly way. Now here, now I am selecting some other student, Ramesh. You can find Hindi. Ramesh got in Hindi 74, and here you can see he is getting 74 here. Now Pankaj, he got in math 95. Math here you can find math 95 he got. So in this you can use the match index match function to get the usable table, and this table you can make in separate page also. Why I make here, because I want to show you exactly how it work. Because if we use a VLOOKUP only use in one array, but index match is a column and row and the reverse side also. I hope you understand. I will put the formula in my description box. Any doubts, please comment me. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you.